Everyone's going to be there. Absolutely cannot wait. See you next week.
She will not in fact be seeing them next week. She is committed to a plan whilst in a good mood. What will happen is she will get to the day and then cancel, or not, and just not turn up.
I have got a glorious new notebook and I just know this is going to be the one that helps me get my life together.
It will not in fact help her get her life together. It will end up like every other notebook, half filled page 1 and then cast to the notebook graveyard.
I'll be ready in 5 minutes, babe.
She will not in fact be ready in 5 minutes. She has no idea that that amount of time is actually only 300 seconds and she has at least 30 minutes worth of getting ready to do.
I'm just going to have a quick 5-10 minute scroll and then I'm going to start doing what I need to.
It will not be a 5 or 10 minute scroll. She will spend hours on it and then turn into a zombie.
I don't know, but this hobby just feels different. It feels like I'm going to really stick it out and commit to it.
She will not in fact stick to this hobby. She will spend lots of money and lots of time for around a week and then never look at it again.
Once I figure out how to actually clean my space, I'm going to be unstoppable.
Whilst not technically a lie, the space will never get cleaned, making it a moot point.